Yeah, we are running a little late. Hopefully the movie ain't too far in. Okay, we are done. Sinners. I asked husband what he rated. He said he rated a 10 out of 10. And I do as well. Michael B. Jordan did his thing. The movie was very entertaining. Well worth the money. Well worth 2 hours of watching. Highly recommend. Go check out Sinners. 10 out of 10.